Smart Factory Solutions. The introduction of big data and AI, together with the continuous upgrading of software, hardware, and machines into an integrated platform, makes the factory not just automated, but also smart. The G6 generation to the world's largest G10.5 generation stalker can carry glass cassettes weighing up to 2 tons and meet Class 10 at 0.1 micrometers cleanliness standards. It also set a record for the first single automated equipment system supplier to get an exclusive order for 10.5 generation automated equipment. As well as lowering personnel costs and greatly improving transfer efficiency, the Smart Factory Solutions automated equipment can also greatly increase production yield through system data collection and reporting, precision control, and analysis. Through integrating the whole plant and with highly customized design services, the greatest benefits can be achieved in a limited production space and develop it into an unmanned factory. Large-size 3D curved surface profiles for use in vehicles and single-panel and double-panel lamination technology can be used for the displays of different car brands and models and has already been adopted by well-known clients. Used with Merlet's exclusive one-to-many vacuum lamination technology and integrating wholly automated feeding and discharging to expand the functions of the automated serial line to help the customer get the best solutions for vehicle panels. As well as not being overly restricted by the form of the factory, the shuttle system provides highly efficient storage by setting up multiple storage layers. Used with Merlet's self-developed smart delivery system, it offers an efficient solution for intensive storage and fast access to goods that is already being used by well-known e-commerce and freight companies. In addition, Merlet has also developed the cold storage crane host that can be used in refrigerated and frozen to -25 degrees Celsius environments. Merlet Group is a leader in intelligent automation that from its founding until today has continually improved the competitiveness of its customers through its stable and reliable whole factory automation ability. In 2021, the company established a smart manufacturing center, building a mass production manufacturing system and technical standards, procedures, and systems for core products within the group, and building a digital transformation platform to meet the quality requirements. The company will continue to stand side by side and grow together with its customers and Taiwan's leading suppliers. Merlet adjusts operating strategies based on analysis of market conditions and customer requirements. It invests in new fields like artificial intelligence, situational systems, cloud computing, big data, and digital twin technology to create comprehensive smart solutions that best benefit the customer. The company's Tongluo factory has incorporated 5G high bandwidth, low latency BIM smart building management system and adopted Merlet's independent integration of energy storage system components to become a domestic smart factory pioneer. Merlet combines its vertical and horizontal industry knowledge, software and hardware technology, products and resources to give the customer complete whole factory intelligent automation services. Looking to the future, Merlet Group's goal is to be the first choice of global industry leaders for supplying smart automation systems, relying on many years of expert experience and using cutting-edge smart technology system integration solutions to create value for the industry, environment, society, and individuals of the future.